press pause and answer the question.
So again, we want to take these two terms, this term here and this term here, and we want to make them the same. So we can say, okay, if 4 to the x plus 2 equals 16 to the x minus 1, and we want these two to be the same, we can change 16 to 4 squared. And in general, if you get this kind of question on a test, there usually should be some way to turn one of these into a nice clean exponent of the other. So in this case, 4 to the x plus 2 is equal to 4 squared, that's 16, to the x minus 1. And we know from this rule here that that means that 4 to the x plus 2 is equal to 4 to the 2 times x minus 1. And then we know that means that 4 to the x plus 2 is equal to 4 to the 2x minus 2. Now, that means that this number here, this x plus 2, is equal to this number here, 2x minus 2. So we have a really straightforward algebraic relationship here. And so we can subtract x from both sides. We get 2 is equal to x minus 2. We can add 2 to both sides, and we have x equals 4. And that's our answer. It's this one right here. Now, if you have time, you can just check it out just to make sure you're right. So you can say, okay, let's plug x as 4 back in. Or actually, if you don't even know where to begin, you can plug in 0, 2, etc. You can plug all these numbers in until it seems to work. In this case, 4 works because 4 to the x plus 2 means 4 to the 6th. And 16 to the x minus 1 with 4 plugged in as x means 16 cubed. And if you go on your calculator and you do 4 to the 6th, that's equal to 4096. And if you do 16 cubed, it's also equal to 4096.